more. Like, 'cause it seems like sometimes he's looking at the birds.
Can I have some?
Hold on.
More.
Is it filming? Oh.
Okay.
Careful.
Yeah! Can I have some? Oh.
It's going all over there.
Wow.
Ready?
Can I have
Bird.
Can they touch one of it?
No, we don't touch the fish.
But C touched one. C touched one. Touch some.
Let's add it.
You can feed one of the birds.
Thanks. Watch what you're doing. And back into a pond. And then the koi will skeleton.
The man that's going to dive in the pond if Tenny falls.
Yeah.
I can't. I'm sorry.
More.
I gotta get Barrett's.
Yeah,
See,
take those to the bag.
there it is. Desperately trying to get down into the water.
It needs to be free. Put a saddle on the big gold one.
You have the rest of it.
Yep. Okay, should we keep walking around?
Sliding down the hill.
Yes, we should.
Look at this kid.
Barrett wants to put a saddle on one of those
Cannot
toys.
go down there, buddy. I know, you want to. You want to so badly. I'm sorry. We're here to look at the fish and the birds.
Tenny's done being calm and patient. You ready? There's no more.
That one probably weighs as much as
I think these birds are fat enough. Let's walk around some more, huh?
Look at that guy.